In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control multiple layer opacities with a single slider in After Effects. First, open After Effects and your composition. We're going to build a simple controller so you can fade a whole group of layers together with one control instead of tweaking each layer by hand. This works great for titles, lower thirds, UI elements, or any stack of footage you want to animate in sync. Create a null object by going to the top menu and choosing Layer, New, Null Object. A null is an invisible helper layer. It never renders, so it's perfect for storing controls. For clarity, you can rename it something like Opacity Controller, so it's easy to spot later in your timeline. Next, open the Effects and Presets panel by going to Window, Effects and Presets. In the search field, type Slider Control. Drag the slider control effect onto your null object in the timeline. This gives the null a numeric parameter we'll use to drive opacity. The slider naturally works in the 0 to 100 range, which matches After Effects opacity values, so it's a clean one-to-one connection. Now select the layers you want to control together and press T on your keyboard to reveal their opacity property. With those properties visible, we'll link them to the slider using expressions so they follow the controller automatically. Start with the first layer you want to link. Hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and click the stopwatch next to opacity. That opens the expression field. Use the pick whip, the little spiral icon next to the expression, to drag from the layer's opacity expression to the slider control on the null object, either in the Effect Controls panel or directly in the timeline. Release the mouse, and After Effects writes the link for you. From now on, that layer's opacity will read whatever value is on the slider. Repeat that same link for every additional layer you want controlled. Alt or Option, click the opacity stopwatch on the next layer, pick whip to the same slider control, and continue until all the layers you selected are connected. Now adjust the slider control on the null object. Set it to 0 for a full fade out, 100 for fully visible, or anywhere in between for partial transparency. You'll see all linked layers respond together, making scene-wide fades consistent and quick to adjust. You can scrub the slider while previewing to dial in the exact look you want without digging through multiple layers. And that's it. Your group opacity is centralized, clean, and easy to manage. Congratulations, and happy compositing.